Got BNSF 5506 and Union Pacific 9393 it looks like. Locomotives so dirty you can't see it.
We got car freight today.
We're gonna go down here. Two locos pulling this one. BNSF and Union Pacific. Like I said, I couldn't tell what the number was on the Pacific. Union Pacific one, locomotive so dirty on the side. I think it's 9393 though. Yeah, it looks like it's all car freight. Can't tell if there's anything in there or not. Looks like there might be some cars in there. I'm not for sure though. Bet you half these fucking rail cars got 500,000 miles on them. Been riding so much. Wouldn't surprise. Ooh, we got a tandem unit here. See, it's like two cars, except see the center. The wheels are underneath the center, so it makes it one car instead of two separate cars. No, but anyways, I bet it wouldn't surprise me if some of these cars had over 1 million miles on them. Some of these motherfuckers look older than dirt. But as long as they're still good and they pass all the safety tests or whatever tests they need them to take in order for them to be able to use them still, I guess that's all right. Sound like an old car. Buy an old car, it's got a lot of miles on it. Emergency brakes. See that little cylinder? They press a button and the emergency brakes deploy, lock all the wheels up. In case the brake lines kink. All the graffiti. Yeah, I was sitting up at the table up at the store behind me, and I heard the horn go off, and I tried to get up here as fast as I could. 'Cause I always like to catch locomotives to see what numbers they are. To me, it's not worth filming a train if it's halfway gone already. This video go on YouTube, and looks like there's the end of our train. It's cool, someone painted an eyeball on the side. There it goes. Off into the sunset or sunrise it goes. So, I'll see y'all guys later.